and welcome to our School at Home class in English Grade 7. We are in the second quarter of our set of lessons, and I hope everybody will delight in learning today with lesson number 7. Researching a topic with support using websites and images. Specifically, you will learn about the following. 1. Research a topic using websites, and 2. Research a topic using images. For a start, do the following exercise. You can pause this video if you will need more time. Press play again when you are finished with the activity and when you're ready to proceed with the lesson. Write C if you think the statement is correct and F if it is incorrect. 1. Research is defined as to track down information or to gain knowledge about a specific subject. 2. We copy and paste all the information that we see in the internet. 3. In researching, we should use established search engines like Google or Bing. 4. There are many online resources that we could use in researching. 5. When we research our topic, we focus on broad ideas. Here are the answers. Thank you for participating in our activity. Let's have a review. We have learned in our previous lesson the importance of using maps in following directions. Remember that map helps us to predict and figure out where things are located. We have also studied about the meanings of road signs and prohibited signs. These signs warn people for potential dangers while providing them necessary information. Let's start our lesson. Not so long ago, researching information is a difficult task. People visit the library and search through the innumerable books organized using an archaic system called the Dewey Decimal System. In this digital age, researching information is as simple as pressing a few buttons in a laptop or swiping your finger across a cell phone screen. Research is defined as to track down information or to gain knowledge about a specific subject. There are many online resources that we could use in researching. Today, we will be studying how to research a topic with support using websites and images. Here are 5 ways to make researching online as easy and effective as possible. 1. Search smart. We would like to use the established search engines like Google or Bing. We will get better pictures and text if we try to use more specific terms. We should also identify 3 or more important keywords relevant to your topic beforehand. These keywords should guide your research from start to finish. Try alternative searches with different words and use search operators, symbols, or advanced search to narrow your results. The example image below shows the search results under words drop, cover, and hold. We can see the different pictures of the topic. We commonly use the Google images. The image below shows the search results under the words drop, cover, and hold. The more specific the search words are, the more accurate the results we see. 2. Sort fact from fiction. In searching for information, we have to check if the website is reliable and up-to-date. Check to see if the author and illustrator are identified and sources are cited. Government sites ending in .gov and educational sites ending in .edu usually are safe bets. Established news-related sites are acceptable too. Blogs, personal websites, and social media sites are more likely to give personal opinions rather than facts. The image below shows a government website of the Philippines. This kind of site is reliable. 3. Decide what's important and narrow things down. After we collected a broad swath of data, we have to review everything and decide on what to focus. We have to try to find any new relationships between the different pieces of information that we have gathered. In pictures, we could try to browse a set of pictures and try to pick the most related one about our topic. 4. Cite right. Do not copy and paste the text and pictures, then forget to cite the sources or websites. We have to be careful in citing the sources. Even accidental plagiarism can have serious consequences for your grades, so don't take a chance. The image below shows an example of a citation machine which could access online. You just have to paste the links of the websites of information and pictures that you have. With just a click, you could have the correct format of your references. 5. Double-check your research. We have to check if our collected information is accurate. You can save yourself a lot of heartbreak by double-checking all of your research before doing any writing or typing. Go and reread all your sources because there's a chance that you misinterpreted the given information. For us to fully understand this lesson, let's have this activity as a practice. Make a thumbs up if you think that the statement is correct, and make a thumbs down if it is incorrect. 1. We have to check if the websites that we are visiting are reliable. Correct! Thank you for a thumbs up! Remember that blogs, personal websites, and social media sites are not reliable, for it is based on personal opinion. Visit the government sites, educational sites, and news-related sites for accurate information. 2. There is no need to review the collected pictures and information from the websites. Terrific! This is a thumbs down. Do not forget to double-check your research. There are times that we commit mistakes by not focusing and misinterpreting ideas. 3. Do not copy and paste the text and pictures, then forget to cite the source or websites. Nice! This is another thumbs up. Remember that we need to cite our sources of information. Thank you for participating in our lesson. Let's have another set of activities. Read and study the items below. Write T if the statement is correct, and F if it is incorrect. Use a piece of paper for your answers. 1. Peter asked his teacher about the reliable websites that he could visit for the homework. 2. Sarah wrote the information that she got from the blog. 3. James made a list of the online sources that he used for his homework. 4. Kyle rechecked all the information that he got from the internet before he printed his work. 5. David focused on the broad ideas of his topic. Here are the answers. Thank you for participating. Let's have our performance task. Imagine that your teacher gives you questions for your homework. Write the keywords that you could use for researching. Use a piece of paper for your answers. 1. How should people prepare for typhoon? 2. What should you do during volcanic eruption? 3. How should school in the Philippines prepare the students for earthquake? Let's check the criteria that we need to consider in doing our task. To wrap everything up that we have talked about in this lesson, let us always remember that research is defined as to track down information or gain knowledge about a specific subject. Here are 5 ways to make researching online as easy and effective as possible. 1. Search smart. 2. Sort fact from fiction. 3. Decide what's important and narrow things down. 4. Cite right. 5. Double-check your research. Here is today's thought to ponder. You don't get results by focusing on results. You get results by focusing on the actions that produce results. by Mike Hawkins. When we are researching, we have to make sure that we put our attention in our task. When we are in focus, we become more careful in following the do's and don'ts of research practices. Let's have our final activity. Read and study the questions below. Write the letter of the correct answer. Use a piece of paper for your answers. 1. What kind of websites give reliable information? A. Blog sites. B. Social media sites. C. Government sites. 2. Where do most people search images for their topics? A. Google. B. YouTube. C. Twitter. 3. Why do we have to use established search engines like Google and Bing? A. To get reliable information. B. To have hard time searching. C. To promote the websites. 4. Which one is a reason for rechecking research work? A. We misinterpret the given information. B. We cite all the online sources. C. We only visited the reliable websites. 5. Which one is not a reason for citing sources? A. To recognize intellectual property. B. To be honest and ethical. C. To sound smart. Here are the answers. Thank you for participating. Here are the references that we use for this lesson.